If you are a woman over 40 and you are thinking about starting a remote job, a career change, or finally having the freedom to work from home or from anywhere, you are in the right place. So this video is a video that is in high demand that a lot of people ask me about, is remote job for women over 40. So if you didn't know, I am over 40. I know I don't look it, but yes, I am over 40. Everybody clap your hands. In this video, I am going to break down the best beginner-friendly remote jobs that are in high demand, that pay well, and actually offer long-term security. So let's dive in. Before we continue, if you are new to this channel, welcome. I was going to say welcome back, but no. Welcome. My name is Salwa. I have been working remotely for the last 8 years, and I now teach freedom seekers how to earn money online so they can work from anywhere. So let's dive in. Okay, so this part 1 is a classic proven remote role that women over 40 don't just survive in, they are thriving in. And it's my favorite, and I talked about this in many of my videos, is virtual assistant. Why? Because virtual assistant is one of the easiest remote jobs to get started with. As a virtual assistant, you might manage emails, organize calendars, schedule appointments, or handle simple admin tasks like travel arrangement or even social media. Nothing fancy, nothing technical, and if you are organized, dependable, and good at keeping things running smoothly, this role is a great entry point into the remote work world. The next one on my list is executive assistant. Now, if you ever worked in an office or supported a manager or a team before, this one is for you. So executive assistant support CEO, coaches, business owners, and more. And of course, you can do this remotely. It's a bit similar to a VA, but it's more structure, more responsibility, and yes, better pay. This role is all about trust, communication, and staying organized, skills many women over 40 already have. Next one is customer support or live chat support. I've talked about this on my other video about a remote job that you can do at night. And by the way, some of these jobs you can also do at night, which is great. So make sure you watch this video. It's right here. I think it's very valuable if you like to work on your own schedule. So if the idea of phone calls makes you cringe, do not worry, because it's all about typing. So many customer support roles today are email only or live chat only. So you respond to questions, you help customers solve a problem, and you keep them happy. Companies always need this, which make it one of the most stable and remote jobs out there. Actually, I can think of Amazon, for example. They need a 24 hours chat support. The next one on my list is online English tutor. I've talked about this before too. If you speak a different language or if you know how to teach English, this one is for you. You need to be patient, friendly, and enjoy helping others learn. This is a great option. You can teach English online from home, often with no prior experience. You might work with kids, adult, or complete beginners. It really all depends. The demand is huge, global, and very flexible. Actually, I know a few people who are here in Mexico who are teaching Spanish and English to kids in Asia. So there's jobs everywhere. Next one on my list is bookkeeping. So let me be clear, it is not accounting. So do not worry. Bookkeeping is basic business organization. You don't need to have studied accounting to know how to do this. So you have to think like invoices, receipt, tracking expenses, and simple spreadsheets. If you're a spreadsheet fanatics, this one is for you. So this role rewards accuracy, consistency, and attention to detail, which is why women over 40 often do exceptionally well here. Next, it's project coordinator or project manager. If you're the kind of person who loves lists, timeline, and structure, this one is the perfect for you. So you will be helping keeping project organized, You help keep project organized, track tasks, follow-ups on deadline, and make sure things don't fall apart. So basically you make sure that everything runs smoothly. You don't have to do the work, you just have to make sure the work gets done. Pretty cool. And finally, my last one is remote recruiting. Actually, I have a friend who does that, and he does pretty well. Shout out to my friend Charles, thinking of you. In this role, you help companies find the right people. You review resume, you send outreach messages, and schedule interviews. Sometimes you might have to do an onboarding interview before introducing the potential leads to the client. But that's it. It's people-focused, it's flexible, and ideal if you like to communicate or you communicate well and enjoy connecting with others with opportunities. So this video was part 1. I think I'm going to do a whole series about this. So if you are interested in learning more, or if you want to see more of this type of video, make sure you comment down below. Before we continue, I want to let you know about my free guide. It's called the Remote Income Roadmap that will teach you the benchmark to get started with learning and earning an income online. So make sure you download it. I will leave the link in the description down below. So I want to leave you with this. If you want flexible, steady income online without starting from scratch, these roles are an excellent place to begin. In the part 2, I think I'll make a part 2, I'll be sharing more of the creative, home-based, and unexpected remote jobs most people never talk about. So make sure you subscribe so you can be notified on my next video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye from Mexico.